We're making some easy fruit salad. So we're taking some tropical fruit salad, making a lot of it here. So, and some fruit cocktail. We put it all there, add some of the juice in there, and then we're just mixing it with some instant pudding and pie filling. And that's all you need. Once we mix it all together, let it sit for a while, and it should get nice and thick and tasty. But you can add pineapple too if you want, or banana slices, mandarin oranges, whatever you want to make it taste delicious to your liking. But just some Jello pudding and pie filling, and basically some of these ingredients. All right, we'll show you what it turns out to look like. All right, so there it is. It's starting to thicken up already, as you can see, and we're putting it in these little party cups. We added some poppy seeds just for fun, I guess, and some dill and other things. Anyways, you can pretty much mess with this recipe and make it however you want. Take the little lid and put that on there, pop in the refrigerator, and you're ready to go. When your guests come over, you can bring it out and enjoy a little dessert. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day and take care.